Welcome guys. In today's video, I will show you a new way to get unlimited diamonds and coins in FC Mobile 2026. This new trick works for Android and iOS devices. Before we start with the process, I will show you my FC Mobile account so you can see that we started the tutorial with no resources. I have no coins or points in my account, but this will change at the end of this video, so I recommend you don't skip a second. The first step we will do on our device, whether it is Android, tablet, iPad, or iPhone, we go to the App Store or Play Store, and in the search bar we write FC 2026 to verify that the app is updated. In the case it is not, we just update it. Now we go to the web browser of our device, and in the URL, we will write playapp.club. We will enter the developer's page of this incredible mod. Once on the page, we scroll up and look for the option of FC Mobile and select it. We can also use the search bar of the page to find the mod. Click on FC Mobile and press the Download Now button. Now it will start injecting a plugin in our mobile browser, which will create a shortcut of this mod on the main screen of our device. As you can see, now we must perform a human verification. A CAPTCHA option appears, and now we can see a list of verifications. Of all of them that appear, we must perform 2 correctly to complete the process. It may appear different options to the ones you can see here. It doesn't matter if that happens because all the verifications that may appear are very easy. To complete any verification correctly, we just have to read the instructions and follow them. Those are the following options that could appear: sign in a web page, verifying an email, downloading an application and using it for 30 seconds, downloading an application and playing several games, taking some surveys, and a verification of a number. The most important thing of all is to follow the instructions, and the process will be completed. Once we have completed the 2 verifications, we go to the anti-bot verification page and reload it. If the message "injected plugin" appears, the process has finished, but if nothing appears, it means that we did one of the verifications wrong. Now we go to the main screen of our device, enter the mod, and everything should be ready. As you can see, unlimited gems and points start to be generated automatically in our FC Mobile account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a positive comment. See you in the next video.